Hey guys, so today I went to Costco. I got these Taki Galaxy Pack. They are $16.99. I also got this Shin Ramen, which is $15.49. Then I got some applesauce that was $10.89. I did get a 3-pound bag of apples that was $4.99. And then I got the tempura shrimp taco kit. This was $16.08. And then I have a 4-pack of pepperoni pizza that is $14.49. And then I also got some steelhead farm raised salmon that was $20.48. And then I got some party wings. It was 8 pounds for $23.80. And we're coming in at a grand total for 9 items. The total was $129.70. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content.